Hey everyone, just gonna make a video on how to change brake pads on a 2018 Giant Trance 3 bike. I like to pull the caliper right off so I can use a screwdriver to squeeze the brake pad, the pistons over. I don't know how well you guys can see this. My kitty cat over there meowing. Yeah, first time really talking in the video, so see how it goes. I was looking at these pads earlier. They don't really need to be changed, but oh, there's still lots of pads left on there. Keep them for a spare. Squeeze the pistons out like that. Meow. Stay here, pussycat. Don't want to reuse the old cotter pin. Losing parts. Yeah, I'll see how good. Just want to bend this sucker so it's straight. Like so. Come on, easy. And both of these. I like to hold this down here like this. Helps hold it in place. Which cotter pin is it? It's the bigger one, so I'll use this one. It's nice to use a new one because you don't want the end breaking off. Slides in there like that. Cotter key pin is a little bit shorter than the other one. Where'd you go, pussycat? Yeah, I guess I'm using the original one because it's a bit longer. Or I'll use this one. That'll work. Getting enough for a little bend on there. Go. I think my cat would want to help, but no, she wants to go explore. I have to see which is the best way this goes. This has to be this way, I think. Yeah, that looks better. It's fairly simple. I'll just throw this in here like this. And I thought the pads were getting wore out, but they're pretty good still. Kitty cat's enjoying them being outside. Now I like to squeeze the caliper squeeze the brake, and then slowly tighten this up. Help center it. That piece don't need to be on there, but yeah, it's pretty simple. Not very long to change brake pads. Sometimes it's nice too to push the pistons out a little bit and put a bit of mineral oil or Shimano brake fluid on there just to make her slide in and out nice and smoothly. Had to do that on my Suron sometimes. Yeah, thanks for watching.